Warning, this video contains material that normal people, and when I say normal, I mean a bunch of foot fetishist bashing footophobes may find very offensive and disgusting. So, if you are indeed a foot fetish basher, then stop watching this fucking video. But, anyone who loves feet, as much as the next sick fuck, feel free to view, and please leave plenty of swell comments. Having a lot of tissues next to you is advised. This is the secret diary of Molly Hale from Pokémon 3 the movie, Spell of the Unknown. Written and expressed by Beef Stew 92. Enjoy the swellness of it. Moreover, Beef Stew 92 is probably going to hell for this one, so please pray for him. Ha ha ha.
Hello, my name is Molly Hale and I am a huge podophiliac. I really love sexy, smooth-looking bare feet. And if you haven't noticed, I myself have really sexy, smooth-looking bare feet. Ha ha ha. Now, you may have guessed that all my friends and family love my sexy feet. And you would be bang that man asshole on right. By the way, Beef Stew 92 has been meaning to ask DJ Swell 69 what that means. He heard him use that in his Drew Pickles Roger Rabbit video, and he thought it sounded swell. Hopefully he doesn't get flagged for using it this whole time. Ha ha ha. Anyways, let's get to the people who love my sexy feet the most. Now, there's my friend of my daddy's, named Delia Ketchum, yes, as in the Delia Ketchum of the Ketchum clan. Every time she and her son come over, she takes my sexy feet and starts tickling them, and I burst out in laughter like ha 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 ha. Then there's her son, Ash Ketchum. Like his mother, he too is a raging footluster, and every chance that handsome onion boy gets, he likes to yank my shoes and socks off, and give me a nice and warm nice and warm foot massage. Oh yeah baby, Ash's foot rubs are to fucking die for. I can't wait to get older, so that I can be one of Ash's many foot-tastic girlfriends, and I can give him a nice soul scrub and a foot job, and have him smother my smooth-looking bare feet with his sticky warm cum. Oh yeah baby, that would be so swell. But none of that compares to the foot love that is provided by my father, Spencer Hill. He really loves my feet. In fact, you might say he is super fucking in love with my sexy, smooth-looking bare feet. Oh sweet Dildus, Beef Stew 92 hopes he won't get flagged by Filet of Soul 1 for copying that bit of dialogue from one of his many interview videos. Ha ha ha. Anyways, it's true, my daddy loves to have swell foot sessions with me, like Ash he loves to massage my feet. But, my daddy takes our foot rubbing sessions to the next level, as he likes to suck on my toes and lick in between the areas in my toes. Oh yeah baby, it's just as swell as it sounds. After that, he likes to sniff the bottoms of my feet. In fact, he likes to lie down on the floor next to me and have me stand right on top of his face so that he can inhale as much of my lovely foot scent with every breath he takes. Shut up, it's not weird, he's my daddy, and also, it's fetish. Ha ha ha. After that, I unbutton my daddy's shirt and walk all over his bare chest. I then moonwalk all over his chest, which would give my daddy a super sensational soul scrub. I do this until my daddy's hard nipples start squirting gallons upon gallons of nipple milk, and we scoop it up in cups and drink it and say it's yummy. Oh yeah baby, it is that swell. Once again, hopefully Filet of Soul 1 won't flame this video for copying some of his dialogue, but here it goes. I just heard that Delia plans on recruiting me into the junior branch of the Ketchum clan. Yes, that will be so fucking swell. Well, I have to get going. I just found out Ash is coming coming over, and I cannot fucking wait for him and my daddy to give me another one of their legendary foot rubs and worship. Oh yeah baby, that will be so fucking swell. Peace out y'all.
I love little girls, they make me feel